Welcome to SOS Electronic Podcast. Today we are talking about all plastic connectors with bayonet locking by Attend. High quality all plastic design, gold plated contacts, up to 1000 connections and disconnections, IP67 protection for moist environments, as well as favorable price and availability from our stock. These are round industrial connectors from Attend for reliable and anti-vibration connection of your application. Round industrial connectors by Attend, Series 227. Connectors with a bayonet locking system are circular connectors that allow for quick and secure connections, resistant to unintentional disconnection during vibrations. For many applications in the industry, they represent an ideal solution for interconnecting devices. When it comes to industrial connectors from the Attend brand, I was pleasantly surprised by the high-quality, all-plastic design and the bayonet lock. Unlike connectors secured against disconnection by screws, these connectors feature a bayonet locking system. It's a simple, fast, and reliable solution, so even when the devices vibrate, these connectors won't loosen spontaneously. Moreover, these connectors can be conveniently attached to or detached from a device with just one hand, says František Ďurišek, product specialist at SOS Electronic. We have added Attend's bayonet connectors of Series 227A, 227B, 227C, and 227D to the SOS Electronic assortment, differing in dimensions, pin count from 2 to 25 pins, and current load capacity of contacts up to 20 amps. Advantages and features of Attend's 227 series of round industrial connectors. Industrial connectors from Attend with a reliable bayonet locking system, quality design, versatile range, and various mounting options provide a fast, convenient, and above all, secure solution for a wide spectrum of applications. The major advantages of the Series 227 connectors: wide range of dimensions, wide range of pin counts, all plastic finish, PA66 UL94V0, bayonet locking system, wide operating temperature range from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius, high number of mating cycles, 1000, gold-plated contacts, suitable for environments with vibrations, corrosion resistant due to all plastic body, IP67 protection. Connection options for Series 227 connectors: on cable, on panel and simultaneously on PCB DIP. Accessories for round industrial connectors Series 227. Dust-proof protective cover for male connectors on panels. Attend Series 227 connectors are suitable for applications in agriculture, greenhouses, machinery, industrial equipment, medical devices, aviation equipment, drones, construction machinery, testing and measurement devices. Marking of Attend's bayonet connectors of Series 227. From the marking of these connectors, for example 227A 03M03, we can deduce the series, connector gender, and pin count. However, the method of connection to panel, cable, or PCB is not unambiguously indicated in the name, so we recommend always verifying the specific connector on our website or directly on the Attend manufacturer's webpage. Based on basic parameters, we classify Attend's round industrial connectors as follows: Type 227A with 2 to 6 pins, panel mounting hole of 10.9 mm, and current of 2 or 5 amps. Connector type 227B with 2 to 12 pins, panel mounting hole of 15.6 mm, and current of 2, 5, and 10 amps. Type of connector 227C with 3 to 20 pins and panel mounting hole of 20.8 mm and current of 2, 5, 10 or 20 amps. Type of connector 227D with 4 to 25 pins, panel mounting hole of 25.6 mm and current of 2, 5 and 20 amps. The most commonly used bayonet connectors will be kept in stock to make them available to you as quickly as possible. We can provide you with other Attend round industrial connectors upon order. As a direct distributor of Attend, with whom we have also had a long-standing collaboration, we can offer you advantageous ready-made solutions, that is, connectors with cables. Attend manufactures them according to the customer's preferences and needs, starting from approximately 100 pieces, concludes František Ďurišek. Are you interested in more information about Attend products, or technical advice in product selection? Or do you have another question or request? Do not hesitate to contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you. Don't forget to get sample for your project. Do you need to try out a component during development? Feel free to contact us and we will be happy to provide you with a sample for your project. We assess each request individually, so please provide a brief introduction of your project in the following form. We only provide samples for development projects, not for private use by individuals. Thank you for understanding. For more details and information, please contact us at soselectronic.com. We will be happy to help you.